O som do cassete.
And now I stand here alone in the dark without you. Hi, you guys. I'm EVI GOFFIN, the former LASGO singer, and soon you will be able to watch my interview on O Som Do K7. I don't wanna say I'm sorry, 'cause I know there is nothing wrong. Don't be afraid, there's no need to worry, 'cause my feelings for you are still strong. Hold me in your arms and never let me go. Hold me in your arms, 'cause I need you so. I can see it in your eyes. There's something you wanna tell me. I see it in your eyes. There's something that you hide from me.
I can see it